Hello, Assalamu alaikum. International news update. I am Mohammed Oliullah. Today is a Friday. Is a Bangladesh is a prayer happening inside the mosque, Bhainar More, Bangladesh, Magura Bhainar More, and this is the dead peoples inside this lower place, the dead body. Under here is a lot of my families, my grandfathers, grandmothers, uncles, aunts, sisters, and a lot of family members, a lot of neighbors sleeping up here. I come to visit them and I share my time, sometime with them. Today I come to pray to this mosque. I make a dua for them. I will make dua for Bangladesh. I will make dua for Bangladesh because I am working on Bangladesh, a special agent for Bangladesh, SSCS, BBS, code 88521, Muhammad Oliullah. And I find out is a human rights organization. They play with our Bangladesh and United Nations. They play with our Bangladesh and all the country playing with our Bangladesh. Our Bangladesh is poor countries. All of people they get rich. They steal the money from the governments and they run away to other country. The other country teach us not to steal, but the other countries teach us how to steal and go to their country live rich life. This is a big problem. So my country peoples, MP, Monty, presidents like the Tariq Zia and then Joy, Sheikh Hasina, Khaleda Zia, they stole money. They put outside of the country and they live rich life. They live rich life. And Bangladesh people, right now, everything is priced so high, so they're out of the situation. That's what I'm going to make dua for. So we can help Bangladesh, and we working long time with Al Jazeera. We working with Al Jazeera. We working with my some family members. They are big business owners outside of the countries. I talk to them. After that, they will make the thing. You thinking about like it's a millions of billions dollars. How about you take millions of billions dollars from Bangladesh, you steal from these poor peoples and you run away to America. In America I have 48 peoples. I make a case in America, I capture you in America, I send it you in Bangladesh. I know the law. What is the problems? But there is the problems. Bangladesh Army Pradhan Mr. Walkers try to find out everything. He tried to kill me because he worked for Israel Musa. He worked for Musa, like Sheikh Hasina. Sheikh Hasina is a female, and female cannot run the war. That's why she is a shaitan, and I cannot say that, but Islam, sorry, the Quran said. That's why she killed all of the Dilwar Saidi. And she tried to run the war. India tried to help her. So America tell India to keep her and put Dr. Yunus in there, try to control the Bangladesh. If Bangladesh get control, put Dr. Yunus back in America, and Sheikh Hasina gonna go back in the seat. And if this doesn't happen, then we will try help India to take over Bangladesh. These big motherfuckers think crazy, but they don't think God have been sent me to declare that nothing gonna happen. Israel and America and India cannot take. If they gonna take it, they're gonna take it top of me like this. I'm dying. You understand? And if I find out my country any CIA agent, I already make a list, lot of list. You know that the Bangladesh Parliament have 350 people MP. I list all of them. I send all of them email before this happened. Before this Khuta Andolon happened in Bangladesh, I mail them everything. So this is gonna happen. They don't tell me sorry. If Bangladesh army Pradhan, workers, police Pradhan, they don't come to tell me sorry and we're gonna work for Bangladesh and we're gonna work for Islam, then we're gonna have fight. We ready. I'm ready to die. I told you before, my hero is the Nabi Karim Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. And my neta is the Lord Saidi. And my president is Allah. That's how I'm thinking, you know. So I am asking everybody to support us. Bangladesh Jindabad. I'm going to be a president or I'm going to be die. I know that. I'm ready. Our Dr. Yunus, Mr. Walker and police Pradhans, if they don't come to my house, if they don't sit and talk and eat with me, good food and talk, then if they go against me and they try to kill me, then I have to take their head off. Dr. Yunus, then Army Pradhan and police. If they want to kill me, if they don't want to kill me, they want to be a friend, they can come in my house anytime they welcome. I'm about to pray. Thank you, everybody. That's what I want to make dua for today. Thank you. Everybody pray for me. The dua is gonna be perfect for me. Thank you. Allah Hafiz. In Masjid Second. La ilaha illallah Muhammad Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. আল্লাহ ছাড়া কোনোই মাবুদ নাই। আল্লাহ এক, আল্লাহ নিরাকার। নামাজ আরম্ভ হয়ে গেছে। লা ইলাহা ইল্লাল্লাহ মুহাম্মাদুর রাসূলুল্লাহ।